Young plant, old plant, who knows? Well, I know. This is an old plant, and it was once beautiful and lush, and I'll show you what it looks like right now. So look at how the leaves are bushing out and the vines are growing, and now I'm going to show you a couple more things about this cucumber plant. There is a picture now of the cucumbers, so you can actually grow cucumbers in an AeroGarden. This is a parthenocarpic variety, and it does quite well. It's smaller, and it grows under the 40-watt Bounty light quite well. Now, back to what you see in front of you here. This is a single vine, and you know, it does look healthy. It's coming out from this stem and down. There's the growth point on it. But if you look back at the base of it, the trunk is very thick, and that is because this plant that you see in front of you is what is left from the older plant that I had showed you. As a matter of fact, what had happened was I found that fertilizing every 14 days wasn't doing enough for the plant, so I pushed it up to every 12 days, and every 12 days seemed to be perfect for the plant. But in the curiosity that I had, I decided to go every 10 days, and that was too much for the plant. And this is what it looks like right now. And this is a picture of right before the collapse of the plant. And so what I had to do was, coming back to the current state, I had to trim off all the old growth, and I left the healthiest branch that came out from the plant, and on the roots inside the container, I trimmed off about the bottom 25% of the roots. Dumped the bowl, cleaned that out, put fresh nutrient in, and now I am back to about every 12 to 14 days on fertilizing. So when you have a plant that seems to be past its prime, or a plant that perhaps you've mistreated, or bugs, or perhaps maybe a disease, if it's an isolated disease in one of the branches, you can oftentimes prune off those parts of the plant and go into what is called a regeneration of the plant. So you don't lose it. You could do this for a couple different reasons, and the primary one is that I still have a plant that is of the age that it should be maturing quickly and fruiting, because it was fruiting already. And this is just one of the tips that I would have for things such as tomatoes, vining crops, peppers, and you'll find out that you can get quite an extended lifespan on your plants because of the way that you prune and you regenerate your plants.